The sheets progress through the reduction line, moving from 5 millimeters down to 1, a true mechanical ballet.
Temperature is stable at 100.
The noodles look perfect, almost ready for cooling.
The sensors show we hit 60 degrees right on schedule.
Perfect. The thermal management is working efficiently. Coating looks good, uniform color.
Flavor profile is spot on, ready for packaging.
Check the seal on this one.
Looks good, right to the pallet.
This one is over the limit again.
Check the feeder alignment on line 3.
Okay, this is the flagged unit. Let's scan it again. Confirmed metal trace on
We have a
sector.
confirmed foreign object in carton B4.
Acknowledged. Initiating rejection sequence.
Seal strength looks good here.
Sauce packets are within tolerance. I will log the data now.
The aroma is excellent, very appetizing. Flavor balance is spot on for the target market.
Agreed. We can approve this batch for release. Check the status on aisle 4. We have a priority retrieval coming up.
Looks clear. The system is running perfectly.
All right, bring it in slow. Watch your left side. Right there, easy down. Okay, clear to go.
Seal 00451 is secure. Please sign the manifest here.
Signed.
Documents are in order. You are cleared for dispatch.
Invoice here.
Looks good. Here is the balance. Here is the manifest for the produced shipment, everything accounted for.
Okay, let's scan these quickly. And if you could sign right here on the tablet. Thank you.
All right, that's $15.75,
Here's 20.
and $4.25 is your change. Have a nice day.